Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I decided to take a couple of trades based on the 30-second candles and adding the Dungeon channels indicator plus stochastic oscillator. Basically these have default settings. I'm just gonna thicken the lines a little bit so it has better visibility, and then we will trade based on these two indicators. Basically, when we have intersection on the stochastic oscillator, we will be able to take the trade. For example, in this case, we have this intersection down here and we're looking up. We are in a resistance area, so we can take our trades after this candle. Okay, and the trade time in this strategy will be 2 minutes. Basically, we're trading on 4 candles, okay, because it's 30-second and every minute basically is 2 candles. And yeah, I will look for a position and then I will explain after taking the trades. Okay, if you look at here, we have this support area, okay, support, and here we are looking for confirmation from the stochastic indicator. So if I get the confirmation, which means that if we have this cross of these lines right here, we will take this trade. Otherwise, it's not a good trade. So let me see that we're gonna get that. Okay, I will add this up here so we're not gonna. Okay, here also we have this resistance area. If the price comes here and again we get the rejection like this, I will go with the sellers here. So when you're trying to take your trades based on the strategies like this, I mean using indicators, it's better to combine it with the price action and support and resistance. So that way you will get better results for sure. Okay, in this case, we have this resistance area, we got this candle, but still we don't have this intersection. So in order to have this intersection, we need a very good rejection from the sellers, and then we can enter the trade. Okay, we still don't have the intersection. Okay, it seems that we have this intersection right here. I go with buyers here for 2 minutes, because if you look, we have this intersection right here, and basically yeah, on this candle, I guess. And yeah, we go with buyers for 2 minutes. Let's see if the price gonna go up or not. Okay, also here we are having the intersection. I will wait for this candle to close. For me personally, I don't really use these strategies with indicators, but you know, some people really like that, so I decided to make this video. Okay, here I'll go with the sellers for 2 minutes, because we got this candle. This is a very bearish candle, and this intersection right here. And if you look at the past, we have we have this resistance area, so that's why I basically combine this resistance with this intersection of the stochastic oscillator and this Dungeon channel. Okay, so here we have bars again, and this is the first trade. Is about to be a winning trade. Okay, this one is trying to keep going up, no problem. It happens sometimes when we have healthy trends like this, and like between the candles we have opposite candles. It's more like sometimes it just keep going up. So we can't really, like, for example, if you look at this one, it's not that like opposite candles, they're not a lot. So yeah, healthy trends like this sometimes just keep going or playing around and then drop. Okay, we are at this support area, and if you look at here, previously we got reversed from here, and this time we are looking for intersection. Okay, not yet. I need a very solid intersection. Okay, this one also dropping. You can also take your trades with like 1 minute candlestick time and this one on 4 minutes. Okay, we just need to take our trades on 4 candles so we have enough time for price to drop. Okay, that was the second trade. I'm looking for signal here. It seems that it's not gonna give us the signal and it's gonna drop like this and then probably gonna give us signal. So we don't have intersection here yet. And don't ever enter at the middle of this, okay? Because this middle area sometimes acts like a support and supports the price. Okay, you see that we didn't get the confirmation. This is the good thing about this stochastic oscillator that gives us confirmation. If we if we were not using this one, we would enter here and lose the trade. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Okay, this is kind of intersection. I mean, I will take the trade. This is a bad entry as well, but I will just take the trade. Okay, no problem. Okay. We see that these intersections are happening between the 80 and 20 level. Okay, we don't take our trades based on these two levels. We just need it to go in oversold or overbought position. In this case, above this 80 is gonna be overbought, and below this it's gonna be oversold. These are our like confirmation points for this strategy, and you have to really look for best position. You're not gonna take your trades blindly. Some people just open the indicators and they expect they win every single trade that they are taking, and they don't like fully checking the confirmation stuff. Like for example, here we don't have opposite candles a lot. It means that we can have the same trend to this level, at least supply area here. It's always good to combine your trades when you're taking with indicators with the like technical analysis and price action. Okay, when you see some weird movements from this indicator, it means that the market is not really healthy and good to trade. The best type of market to take the trades is these kind of markets. Okay, these kind of markets. If like and the movements of this moving averages from this oscillator is very important. When we have like these kind of movements, it means that the market is kind of shadow and bad market. So yeah, this was the next trade, and as you can see, this middle line usually acts like a dynamic resistance. Like for example, we have this strong support here broken, and then we have like a combination of this broken support turning to resistance, and also this middle line of this indicator, strong rejection from here. So it means that we can take our trades at this area with marginal safety if we are taking 1 minute trade. I'm not going to take that trade, but I'm just saying that you can be really creative with this indicators in your like favor. Okay, let me just move on to the next one. These are the pays that you have to avoid. You see that? It's in the middle. So if that's in the middle, we're not going to take our trades on that. You should go to the stocks. And also some pairs that are like this, just spending a lot of time up there and they don't drop. That's another sign that it's not a very good market to take your trades on. Okay, for example, here we had this, like if you look at here, we have this intersection down here. If we like look at the price, we are at this area. Okay, this is not a very proper, like it's not a very good buyer's entry, so this is not a very good combination. But if you look at this intersection right here, it happens somewhere here, and it's basically on this buyer's entry, okay, after this green candle. So it's a good signal that the buyers can push the price up again. Okay, here we have this intersection on this candle, but if you look at the past, we have this seller's entry right here. But if you want to like have a better, you should wait for this one. Okay, let me just check for other opportunity. Okay, here we have this intersection, but the market is moving like this, so we might lose this one, and it's a long time spending at this area. In order for this market to drop, we need a very good bearish signs, and also you can use the trend lines as well. Okay, here we have this buyer's entry. Okay, buyer's entry every single time. The price is an oversold, and this stochastic oscillator, so we are looking for intersection here like this. Okay, we need this intersection somewhere here at this buyer's area, and also we have this round number as well, so we need enough confirmations to go with the buyers. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll add this right here. Let's check this one. Okay, this one, I don't see buyer's entry right here, but I will take this with lower amounts. And also this one, it has intersection. I will go double trade on this one. Okay, let's see. I see that we have this intersection on this candle, so the entry should be here, but I'm still taking the trade. Okay. Okay, we win this one, we lost this one. Yeah, that's pretty clear. So this is bad, and this is a bad trade, because we have this trend. The trend should be clear coming down. Okay, also we have this flat right here, and yeah, about this one, the trend was pretty clear, no opposite candles, and our entry basically should be somewhere here. Okay, and we were reclosing here, but it's still, that was a winning trade. Let me just go to the next one. Okay, here we have pretty clear intersection. If it goes, okay, nice, enter right here. The trend is pretty clear, it's reversed from this seller's entry, and yeah, we have this intersection exactly right on this candle, so we're expecting a drop right here. And guys, don't forget don't forget the conditions that you have to consider. For example, here the trend is pretty clear. Also the trend like dropping also should be very clear, so that's why sometimes you have to avoid some trades. Okay, I hope this is a winning trade. And about the bad trade, this one, yeah, we have this like a bad market right here. When the trend is bad market, usually it's not a good trade to take. Okay, even for example, if you lose this one, but still you have to look for, you know, good trends. Okay, when you like lose a good trade like this, don't get disappointed, just keep looking for good trades again. Okay, that was a winning trade. Nice. That was really close, but thank God that was a winning trade. And we're gonna end this video right here. I hope that was useful. If it was, please drop a like for me. And yeah, make sure you join the Telegram channel. Also, the platform link is in the description if you want to. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out.